They say one day a poor man, he was lost in the deserts. So he saw a man digging wells, sweating, working hard. He sat next to him, he talked to him for a little bit. He found him to be very entertaining, very kind, very compassionate. Then it was time for salah, they prayed, then it was time for food. So he says, listen, can I join you for food? He said, yes, of course you can join me for food. Time of food came, this man, he saw 2 loaves of bread and a little bit of milk. He said to him, you work so hard, this is what you eat? He says, yes. So this man obviously wasn't so tasteful. So he told him, I think you don't like this food, right? He says, yeah, it's... He says, okay, go inside Medina. There ask for the house of Hasan, Al-Hasan ibn Ali. There you find his door is always open and guests are there and he feeds his guests very well and he takes care of them. So this man, of course, he's not going to stay there. He came to Medina. Where is the house of Hasan ibn Ali? He got into Medina. He saw the house of Imam Hasan. And he went there and he saw, yes, there's a big sufra and there's food and there are guests. And Imam Hasan is looking after his guests, Kareem Ahlulbayt. So he sat, he ate, he was thirsty, he drank, he rested. Then he said to them, give me some food. I would like to take some food. So Imam Hasan says to him, why? If you have your family, bring them here. If you have friends, bring them here. Why are you taking food to them? Bring them here. Our door is open to everyone. He says, no, Ya ibn Rasulullah. There is a poor man in the desert. He's working so hard. And I want to take him some food. I know he cannot afford this food. He says, really? How did he look? He describes the man. What did he tell you? He tells him. He says, that man will not eat this food. You're most welcome to take this food to him, but that man will not take this food. He said, Ya ibn Rasulullah, you know this man? He said, yes, I know this man. He is my father, Ali ibn Abi Talib. 2 Imams living at the same time. One of them, Amir al-Mu'mineen, would break the loaf of bread on his knee. And Imam Hasan Kareem Ahlulbayt has demonstrated generosity to the people and to the guests. Which tells you even within the akhlaq of Ahlul Bayt there was flexibility. In what terms? To serve the needs of the ummah.